Hi, this is John with Online Verb, and today I want to talk about how to use PLR products. PLR stands for Private Label Rights. How to use PLR products to create ebooks that you can then sell online. So, selling online ebooks is actually very, very popular. There's lots of places you can sell ebooks online. One of the most popular that pretty much everyone's familiar with is Amazon Kindle. And so if you go on Amazon Kindle, there's all kinds of books that you can find, from nonfiction to fiction to educational. And so people come and they buy ebooks all day long. And so you can use private label rights, PLR products, to create your own ebooks that you can sell on Amazon Kindle or other online ebook selling platforms. So when you get PLR products, though, you do need to rewrite those. So one of the first things you need to do is decide what you want your book to be about. For this example today, we're going to use the keto diet as an example. Now, there's lots of places to buy private label rights products. One of my favorites is a site called bigproductstore.com, and I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check that out. But they have over 10,000 different PLR products, and they're constantly adding all the time. So it's a great resource to find information about all kinds of different areas and niches. And they're also running lots of specials, right? So if you go down, you can see their pricing. They do have monthly pricing, $20 a month. However, I purchased the one-time, the lifetime charge for $98.50, because really in 5 months you're going to hit this, and now I have it for life, so I don't need to continue, obviously, to pay on a monthly basis. They do have a free account also with some limited free options, so you can do that as well, just to get started, check it out, see what you think about it. But they sell private label products in lots of different types, right? Audio products, articles, their own ebooks, software, videos, etc. So lots of great options here. Let me just log into my bigproductstore.com account, and then we'll pick a product. Okay, so we're going to log into my bigproductstore.com account. Here we are, and let's look at products. And before I look for a keto product, when you log in, you can select products by category, the type of product that you want, or by the license type as well. Okay, and as you can see, as we just go through browse all products, you can see they have uploaded these 2 products today, a couple yesterday, but they're pretty much uploading new products almost every day in a wide variety of niches. So we talked about doing something with the keto diet, so let's search for what keto products they have, and you'll see they have some recipes. This is a ebook. They have a video book concept. They have this. So this looks like a good book, Easy Keto Pack. Probably something that is somewhat beginner. And so basically you just download the product, and when you download it, you're going to get the files to use to upload and rewrite, etc. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so when we download this Easy Keto product ebook from the Big Product Store, it comes in a zip file. We unzip it, and you can see this is everything that you're getting. You're getting the ebook itself, and then there's some other nice things that you could use in some way or give away: a checklist, resource cheat sheet, mind map. They actually do have a sales page, so this is something you could sell yourself, an opt-in page to collect emails, the graphics, email swipe files, and social media images, so you could promote it on social media. So that's a great thing. A lot of times you're not just getting a book, but you're getting a lot of resources as well. So for our example, we're wanting to create an ebook that we're going to sell on Amazon Kindle. So what we would do is open this ebook, and when you open it, it's a PDF file. And let me just scroll back up to the beginning. I had this open already. So you can see it's actually a pretty nice laid out ebook. Okay. But what we're going to do is, and pretty thorough, it covers a lot of great points about the keto diet. Okay, so really good information, nice book. Certainly you could sell it as is, but ideally what you'd like to do is make this unique, because you want to be able to say that it's your own, and so you can easily rewrite this. I'm gonna, for example purposes, let's just take the first paragraph of the introduction. We're going to copy that, and then we're going to go over into something called Quillbot. I'll leave a link for that in the description box below as well. But Quillbot is a rewriter program. It's online. It's based online. And what it allows you to do is paste in text. Okay, so here's the first paragraph. And then I'm currently using the free version. And so you have a standard rewriting option, in which it's going to rewrite it in a very reliable manner and to help maintain the meeting. And you also have a fluency option to make sure that it's readable and free of error, so you can choose between one of those. And then over here on the synonyms, you can kind of slide this one way or the other. If you slide it to the left, there's going to be less changes and more accurate. To the right, more changes and less accurate. Now, if you do buy Quillbot, which I think is about $75 per year, then you also get all these other rewriting options. And also you get more options for synonyms. So right now, let's just leave it in standard. We'll go ahead and just leave it where it's at. And you just click on paraphrase, and you can see that it is rewriting it right now, right in front of our eyes. Okay? And so if you read it, it's very readable, right? If you want to lose weight quickly and change your lifestyle, the keto diet is one of the finest options. For most people, the keto diet is a significant dietary change, making it notoriously difficult to begin. One of the most effective methods to begin your keto diet is to arm yourself with the most accurate and useful information. So, very unique. You can go through and you can, it gives you other options if you want to change. So if you don't like some of the phrasing, etc. And then you can also take this and you can run it through Copyscape or other online plagiarism checkers just to make sure that how unique it is. So, and then what you can do is you can go through. Now, when you rewrite this, I just rewrote the first paragraph just for time's sake, but you could go and you could actually put the entire introduction in to Quillbot and rewrite it all at one time, and then take what you've rewritten over here, copy and paste that into a Word document so that you start to generate your own rewritten copy for your ebook. Now, another option is there's a lot of other spinners out there that can do rewriting. Another one that I own is called Spin Rewriter. It does a good job as well. One of the things it does is puts the output into Spintax, so you can actually create multiple versions of it. I'll leave this in the description below. I believe it's $77 a year. I'm sorry, $77 per year. So similar to Quillbot, and also similar in how it works. Now, once you've rewritten everything, either through Quillbot or Spin Rewriter, then you need to create your book. So you've rephrased, rewritten, or spun the original text into your own, and so now you have an ebook that is unique to you. So you can make your book really however you want. You can use, Word to do it. You can hire somebody to make graphics for you, and then you can put it all together into and create a PDF out of it. Or there's some software online that'll do all of that for you. So as long as you have the text, it'll create the entire book. Because creating the book, if we go back and look at the original, right, it's got a lot. It's not only does it have the image, the cover, but it's also got table of contents. It's, and it's going to have all these other things throughout that you would like to make sure are included in your book. And so you can do it manually, but it takes a lot of work there are some nice software that you can use instead. One of them is called Scribble, and it really makes awesome appearing ebooks very quickly, right? It says in as little as 5 minutes. Because all you do is you just put in your text, and then it will do everything, basically the rest for you. You can go and watch the demo video. I'll leave a script down, a link down below in the description box. But basically, let me find where it's going to do everything for you. Yeah, so you just choose your template. You add your content, so what you rewrote, you add that content in, and then it's going to customize it. You just hit the generate button, and it's going to customize and publish it for you. And it's going to make a cover, it's going to make a table of contents, it's going to add niche-related images throughout the book. And so it's very cool, right? You can publish it right, from your book. It'll do it very quickly, and it'll make, you can generate these books very, very quickly, and then get them up and into Amazon Kindle and start making sales. And so this is an example of something that you might make yourself using a Word document or a Google Docs. Kind of boring, right? And so instead it can turn it into a really nice appearing book. Obviously people would much rather see books that look like this than look like just a plain text document. So Scribble may be something that you'd want to look at getting. It's a one-time fee, especially if you plan to take these PLR products, rewrite them, make a great looking book, and then upload them to Amazon Kindle to sell. So I hope you found this helpful. I'm just going to do a quick review. First, choose what you want to create an ebook about. So find some nice quality private label rights, PLR products. Again, I recommend bigproductstore.com. Download that, and then just go through and take your time and rewrite it. You can rewrite it through Quillbot. You can rewrite it through Spin Rewriter. They both work very well. Take your new content, which is now unique to you, so it's no longer the original, it's completely unique. Take that new content and create your ebook, which you can either do manually and have your own graphics created, do your own design and layout, create your own table of contents, etc. Or you can use a software that makes it super simple, like Scribble or a similar software. And then once you have your output, then simply upload it to Kindle Books, and boom, you'll have a product for sale. And at that point, you just let the sales come in. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. I appreciate a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe just so you stay up to date with more videos as I put them out.